Hello, my name is Cadet Cayman.
And I'm Cadet Ford.
We are cadets at Utah State University's Air Force ROTC program, and today we'll be teaching you how to make a strong password and remember it easily.
Having a strong password is super important to stay safe while on the internet. All you need for this activity is something to write on and something to write with, and also a keyboard just to look at.
There are three real main steps. The first is to make sure your password is long enough. The second, to make sure it's hard for the computer to guess it. And the third is to make it easy to remember. It's super important to change your password periodically and to never tell your password to anybody.
We can do all three steps we talked about using one method that we will demonstrate. In order to make a password long enough, pick 4 random words, and you can pick any words you want, but try to have the words create a small story in your mind. They can also be something familiar to you, like a restaurant, a building, a park, or a name. Write these down so it will be easier to make the password. Okay, I have mine written down.
So this is where we're going to create our password. So the first step is to create 4 random words and make a story with them. So our words are rain, sunset, sunflower, and jewel. So the story behind that, it rained this morning and the sunset was very beautiful last night, and the sun creates the sunflowers or helps them grow, and the seeds look like jewels. And I have my 3 numbers at the end, which is your second step. And so my 3 numbers are 6, 2, 8, but it's June 28th, the date of my dog's birthday. So those are the first steps that you need. So you need 4 words, go ahead and create a story with them in your mind, and add 3 numbers that are special to you. So we're going to start by adding our first number, to the end of our first word. So it's going to be rain 6, so right down here. And now you're going to take that number and you're going to count those letters. So the same number of letters are going to go in. So 6, so it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for that letter that you landed on, you're going to capitalize that. So it's going to be R, capital A, the rest of rain, and 6. And you're going to do that with sunset, the second word that you have. So 2, you're going to count 2 in, 1, 2, capitalize that U. And for your third word, you may need your keyboard. So if you grab your keyboard, you're going to hit Shift as well as that number, and that symbol that pops up is the symbol that you're going to use at the end of that word. So for Shift 8, it's a star. So we'll put a star at the end of our sunflower. And so it's going to be sunflower, still count 8 letters in, so that's going to be on our E. Our E is going to be capitalized. And then for your final word, it's just going to be tagged on at the end. So this is our final password, all in the bottom. So rain 6, sunset 2, sunflower, star, jewel. And that is how you create your hard to guess password. There are many ways to create strong passwords, and this is just one of them. You can also use safe online programs to help generate and save passwords for you.
Remember to change your passwords if they get old or if you think someone might know them, and never tell anyone your password. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something useful.
Goodbye!